trampoline, but today I'm going to be opening my new barber shop and I'm going to be cutting my daddy's hair. And he said I can just have fun with his hair, so I can do what I want on it, and that's amazing. Because I'm going to try and make him look like a clown. So guys, let's go to my barber shop. Where could he be? Hello. Please sit down. I'll take your jacket, sir.
There you go.
Oh! Electric shock!
Right, come on.
That actually really hurt.
Okay.
What is... Ow, my neck.
Do you need some help?
I can do it, sir. I work here.
Come on then.
Oh!
Come on, I'm in a bit of a rush.
Man!
Come on, chop, 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 chop.
No.
Now, I'd like, I would like, I would like it just to trim.
Just to trim.
Come on then. Take your time. You brush my hair off. No, 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 no. I'm going to leave if that's the kind of service that you're providing. Take your time, please, and don't be so rough. You're not doing it properly. No. I'm going to be leaving this shop.
Wait, it's like this.
Guys, I'm not going to be giving it a good review. Ow!
Sorry. Sorry, I'm allergic to fake
Corona.
customers. I'm allergic to fake customers.
Do you know how to brush it into an afro?
Yeah.
Doesn't look like it.
Who
Just
do
brush
you
it.
think I am?
Just brush it one way.
Your head's like
Yeah,
a
that way.
teacup.
That way. That way. No, the other way. Yeah, just push it back. Do you want me to help you? You keep missing one side.
Okay, Mr. Bossy Jaws. I'm a professional.
This brush here, please.
Okay, okay.
Right, that's enough. My hair's kind of cool. You can brush it easily.
What do you want again?
Just a trim.
Where?
On there.
Where?
On my head.
I don't know where. Where?
Come on, before I change my
Down here.
mind and go to Vidal Sassoon. No, you don't hold it like that. I thought you were a professional.
Yeah.
Okay, madam.
Okay.
You're what, a professional? Oh. Come on.
Look at that.
Come on.
Oh my god.
Come on, man. Oh. Press it on then, on the head. You need to press it onto my head. No, no, no. Remember what we just said.
Oh. Oh my god.
How's it looking there, madam?
Very good. Oh.
You're making a bit of a mess with that hair on the desk, aren't you? On your worktop.
Looks like a rat's tail.
Oh, thanks. Is this towel tucked down my back? Because I can feel hairs, madam. Thank you very much. You've got to keep the customer happy.
Oh, that is a lot. gonna cut off all the white hairs.
Okay.
Which is gonna be. How much am I getting paid for this?
I don't know. It's your business.
Oh. £200. Actually, 1,000,000 or 700 or yeah.
You need to
Want me
take.
cut your beard?
No, just can you just do the hair, please? You need to take your time because I can see you getting a bit excited.
No.
You are.
Oh, Mr. T. There. Look like Mr. T. Should I cut this bit?
Just keep
That's
cutting.
like the only handsome part about your hair.
Oh, thanks.
No offence. Oh, that is big.
The batteries are going to run out. I think you need to be a bit quicker.
It's like a lawnmower on your hair. Wait, I'm actually doing a bit of a good job.
Yeah. You made me look like a mad professor.
Okay, no, show the camera. Stay like that. Out.
You need to watch the table.
Don't worry, you're gonna have to wear man bun. You're gonna have to wear man bun. Man, you've got some crusty lips. Want some of my jazz lotion? I need to pause.
No, I think you need to do the front. It's in the way.
Okay. Oh my god, you look like a leprechaun.
A leprechaun. If you do a good job, you might get people wanting to pay you to cut their hair.
Oh, okay. This is. You need to pay me for this, you know. It's gonna be £200, you know. One watermelon head. Here we go. This is amazing. Oh, you're gonna love this. This way. To the front.
What the hell? You need to...
You look like you have horns.
Come on.
You look like Boss
Cut
Baby.
the sides. Cut the sides at least. That's good. That's what a real barber does. They pull your ears along.
Oh.
But they do. They start though above your ears. They don't just pull them out the way for nothing, like in Prince Charles. What about the sideburns?
Oh, sideburns like Prince Horns.
Yeah, all that has to go.
Oh, the white beard.
No, not the beard. Just the sideburns and the hair and the head.
Okay, it's plugged up. Right. can't wait for them to see the floor.
Yeah, that's all right. Well done, well done.
Oh, I think it's shaking. Wait,
He's not.
there's
Carry on.
hair growing out of your ear.
There's not. Carry on.
Look, this is good hair, isn't it, guys? Turn around, let them see.
Guys, I'm not impressed with this.
You look like you got hit by a bus.
Come on, can you carry on, please? I'm not paying for this haircut, by the way.
Excuse.
No.
Get out.
Okay. See you later.
Oh. Right, I'm chopping off all your hair now.
Oi!
This is what you get for not paying me. You have no hair. I got new hair. No one has it.
The tricks work, guys.
Huh?
The tricks worked.
What trick?
I pretended I'm going, so now I'm getting all my hair cut. Just what I wanted.
Just make it bald. Yeah.
Guys, you can't take her anywhere. Does my foot showing off?
I'm doing my best. I can't believe you said that. You want me to shave your neck?
Yeah, that's what you do, shave it.
Okay. Wait, are you supposed to have hairs growing off your neck?
Yeah, but you're going to take them off because that's your job.
Yeah.
Are they coming off?
No. The super glues. Do you not have any hair and you super glued it on? Because it's not shaving off.
Is this my hair done?
No.
Are we finished here?
No.
I'm going to have to stop it now.
Actually, I might get embarrassed in school after this, and I'm not embarrassed ever. Yeah, this is gonna take ages to grow. Don't pick me up from school for like a year till your hair grows.
I think you're doing a good job.
Can you go lower? Please.
Oh, it's not working. Oh.
Down your door. Do you think you're ever gonna grow?
No, my little dwarf.
Down now.
That's it. That's all it goes.
Goodbye, hair. Oh,
What about the sideburns on this one?
Oh, yeah. How much am I actually getting paid? You said I'm good.
This is for fun. This is for your customers.
Your breath stinks. Your breath stinks so bad. No, we won't be able to put clips in your hair anymore. So bald. Yay! Yippee-doo-dah! What?
Okay, I think we're done now, aren't we?
Nope.
Yeah, that'll do. Let me see. No.